A Nova shopkeeper stabbed to death. Cops search for boyfriend after woman's ex-lover killed in Westmoreland. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A Nova shopkeeper was stabbed to death at his business establishment in Hopewell District, Sandy Bay on Saturday. Police reported that about 5:40 p.m., 21-year-old Christopher Bbed was inside his business place when a man visited him. Shortly after, both men were seen in a physical confrontation. Following the altercation, Bbed was seen suffering from what appeared to be multiple stab wounds. It was discovered that a ratchet knife was used to stab the businessman several times. He was assisted to the hospital, where he died undergoing treatment. The police have since been seeking to apprehend the alleged killer who fled the area. A Westmoreland man is being sought by the police following the killing of his girlfriend's ex-lover in Grange Hill, Morgan's Bridge, Westmoreland on Saturday. The ex-lover, 38-year-old Ian Solomon, was stabbed to death when he visited a son he had with the woman, police are reporting. More details to come following further investigations.